Hi and welcome to Play Tutorials. So today I'm going to give you guys an introduction to interactive content, and I'm going to show you how to create interactive content. What you're looking at right now is the preview of a playlist that I did a couple of minutes ago. So let's start by clicking begin. The first part here is just to show you how this works, and after that I'm going to show you what's behind, and then lastly I'm going to show you how to create this content. So touch and interactive content is more or less just slides being linked together. So you can use anything like text, symbols, images, weather, well, anything you can put on the canvas can be a link to another slide. In this case, I have added the live feed from our weather plugin, and I've made a link out of that. I have added a symbol of a calendar, and I've made a link out of that. So if I click on the weather, I will be sent into a slide where I have the weather today. In the top right corner you see the calendar symbol again. If I click that, I will be sent into a slide with a forecast for the next 4 days. Clicking the arrow back will lead me to the front page. So that's more or less how it looks on the front end on your touch screens. So we are back at the editor, and I'm just swiftly going to show you how the linking of slides work. So as you can see in the slide overview, I have 4 slides, and you see this square with the dotted line. This square is a button. The button is found under plugins. You simply click the button and a square with a dotted line is added. So this overlay or button, well, in the right column you see a drop down where you can pick from any of your slides, or you can pick next slide and previous slide. So in this case I've chosen slide number 3. Looking at slide number 3, well, that gives us the weather today, and again this one is linking to slide number 2. This one is linking to slide number 4. So that's more or less how interactive content works. Now let's create an interactive quiz. Let's start by giving it a name, choosing aspect ratio of 16 to 9, and hit create. Going into the playlist, I will start by finding a photo from Unsplash, which is of course royalty-free images. Then I'm going to add some text. What I'm doing first of all is creating the content, the layout, the design, and then after this slide I'm going to be creating the rest of the slides, and when I'm done with all the slides I'm going to add my links. So now I've created my 7 slides. The slides are a homepage, front page, whatever you want to call it. It's 2 questions, and it's a correct answer and wrong answer for each of these questions. So I can start now by creating my linking of these slides. I'm going to add the button to the start, and I'm going to link that to slide number 2, which is the first question. Then I'm going to question number 1. The right answer is slide number 3. Next slide. Well, he got the first answer correct, but this one wrong. So we are going to send him to slide number 5, which contains question number 2. So now I've linked all my slides together, and let's preview this. Okay, so let's start the quiz. Question number 1. What is the best digital signage software on the market? I don't know. Try again. Well, then it has to be Play. Correct. Next question. Does Play support interactive content for touchscreens? Of course they do. Yes. Yes, Play does support interactive content for touchscreens. And back to home. You create your content, and when you're done creating your content, you simply add your buttons and link those buttons to the different slides you want to be using. That's it for now. You know where to find us if you have any questions. Thank you.